Here we have a Jaguar XK8 where the rear bumper mounts have corroded, as you can see here. With the new one, it's all nice and secure. And the old one that's on the car is completely rotted away. But then you have 3 bolts which are nicely rusted. So thankfully, with the aid of a nice little spiral socket, I'll soon be able to get these off. They weren't as seized up as I thought they were going to be, so I'd already loosened them off before I started this video. There's just one tucked in the top here. If I can get on it. Change that socket. That out, that one. Thankfully the threads aren't too rusted. Thought I was going to have to drill these out, but let's play ball. That there is the old manky one off, and we'll just stick the new one in there.